Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the show where we are discussing and giving some advices to the youth about aspirations and goals in life and topics that relate to this. Now, until now, what we wanted to say, what was the point of all this? Point of all of this is to encourage youth, to motivate them to understand certain rules of life, how it affects them and what affects them, that they step up, raise their game, man up, and take control of what is going around themselves. Not make excuse, but lead. To lead is really to believe so strongly, regardless of anything else, so much that you are willing to risk even embarrassing yourself, exposing yourself that you don't know everything. And sometimes people drop because they feel that even if I succeed and I'm exposed and I'm famous and something happens, people will know that this and that. Reality is far from that. Real people, real men and real women do not fear these things. This is normal. We cannot know everything. But what we want is to open ourselves to the possibility. We want to lead with everybody else around us. Not only always as a leader of the organization, but even as a part of a team. I'm contributing. Different people in their different capacity they lead. Not only the top job. So what we want from people is really to lead and inspire those around yourself. We want you, Allah created you and us to be authentic, to be original. He did not create us that we copy other people. We are the one who lead. Others copy us. We don't copy other people. Copy is never as good as original, and it's never original. You understand? Copy is never as good as original. It's never authentic. It's never original. It's never good. If we live life as a copy, it's not life that is worth living. It is a life that we will regret at the end. It is the life where our dream and our reality and our life is someone else's life. So we have to start from today. We have to start thinking, what is the big picture outcome? What is the big picture outcome? Forget the small stuff. People fight for the corner of a table. There is a whole world out there. There are opportunities that nobody is even thinking, no one is thinking about. Look at the world around us. Look at the world of business. Majority of the businesses who thrive were a result of fresh new idea that did not exist 5 years ago. So we have to continuously improve and bring this new energy and life and everything and mix it in a way that makes sense for whatever the next challenge is. We need to think big. We need to think independently about our situation. We need to be creative we need to be strategic in our way of thinking, because we have only two choices. We are either chess player or chess piece. Either we decide where pieces are going and how game of life is played, or other people decide and they move us, and then we are like a dead piece of wood being manipulated, controlled. And that is the lower hand, dependent, asking. We don't want that. Even if it's something is halal, makes you lower hand, give up something, give up from working, striving. We don't want that. We want to be upper hand, the hand that is moving, the hand that is giving, the hand that is setting up direction. Now, if you can do this, and if you can focus your mind, what will happen to you? You will grow. Eventually, you and I and all of us, you will become better version of yourself. You will enrich yourself. You will feel different. You will be able to push aside small thinking, those desires, whispers, things that don't make you who you are, those limiting beliefs. As somebody before used to say, we will see the life differently. You see, I heard once a statement, somebody said that in the winter, some people freeze to death and other people ski. It's a matter of who you are. We want to ski. We don't want to freeze to death. So what we have around ourselves, we don't see it as a challenge, but more of an opportunity where, because everything is now flat around us, we can really raise our game. We can influence what is happening. but it has to start with us. We have to be committed to that change. We have to work on our goals. We have to set our minds straight. We have to be with the people who radiate this positive energy, ideas. Always focus our intention and attention to what is the next. We cannot, I mean, look at top 5 people on your mobile phone, or top 5 people that you chat on Facebook or tweet or text or whatever. You will be average out of them. If you don't like what that average adds up to be, you then have to work and change it and do something about it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.